How to reset your TradingView password. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are wondering how to reset your TradingView account's password, then you are in the right place. First of all, launch open the TradingView application on a device. You may also open it up on a web browser and then go ahead and get to the sign-in page. On your mobile device, click on the menu icon at the bottom right and tap on sign in on the next page. After you're inside the sign-in page, select the email or username option to change your password. Make sure that your account has been created by using the same option. And now in this page, just tap on the forgot password at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you'll be asked for your email, username or phone number, including country code associated with your account. Just type any one of them. So I'm just going to type in my email. After you do that, click on I'm not a robot and click search. Now, if the email exists, you'll receive it. You'll receive an email. Go ahead and check your email inbox and click open the email that says TradingView password reset request. And now click on reset password inside the email. Right after you do that, a new tab will open up and now you can enter the new password you want to change to. After typing down your password, head over to the next field and re-enter the new password once again. Once both the passwords in the boxes matches, click on save password and your password has been changed. You can now get back to the TradingView app and try logging in with the newly updated password and tap sign in and you are back into your account. So even if you don't remember your password for TradingView, you can easily reset it following these steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.